Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will show you how to download and install MongoDB on Windows 11 step by step. So if you are ready, let's get started. First open your browser. I am using Google Chrome. Search MongoDB. Here it is the official website of MongoDB. Click. Products. Here Community Edition. Click here. Now click on Download Community. After scrolling, you can see current version of MongoDB is 8.0.11. Platform is Windows 64-bit and package is MSI. Now click on download. It will take few minutes. Once the file is downloaded, double click to run the installer. Click on next. Accept the terms and license agreement and click on next. Choose complete setup. Here you can see service name is MongoDB and current directory is this. So click on next. Click on next. Click on install. This will take few minutes. I think 1 to 2 minutes. Once the installation is done, click on finish. Now we have to set up the path variable. Click on this PC, Windows C, program files, MongoDB, server 8.0, bin, and copy the path. Control C, revise, search, environment variable, open, environment variable, click on path, add new, and paste. OK, OK, and OK. Now search CMD. Write MongoDB version and enter. Now you can see the current version is 8.0.11. That's it. MongoDB is now installed and ready to use on your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also comment below if you face any issues. I will happy to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.